Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on my channel I'm going to show you how to make this Espeon inspired eye makeup look. Espeon is my most favorite evolution out of the 9. First of all, I'm going to set my whole eyelid with the eyeshadow base from the Morphe 35B palette. Then I'm going to use this taro purple shade, I would call, from the Morphe 35B palette as my transition shade. I am applying it by a fluffy brush from the Real Technique. I will also apply it on my waterline because this is kind of a halo eye look. Then I'm going to use this deep purple shade from Morphe 35B palette, and I'm using the same brush to apply on my crease to intensify the purple slightly more. Also, I will drag the eyeshadow down to my bottom line. By this, I'm using the pencil brush because my waterline area is kinda smaller compared to the crease. Now I'm going to use the deepest bluish purple eyeshadow from the Morphe 35B palette and using the pencil brush to apply on my outer V of my eye. I will focus mainly on the outer part, the outer V of my eye, as well as the inner corner because I want it to be very halo, and the excessive amount of eyeshadow on the brush, I would drag it to the whole crease. But like I say, mainly is the outer and the inner part of my eye. I will do the same thing for the bottom line. Now I'm gonna use a shade called Makita in Masquerade Juvia's Place palette to apply next to the deep purple shade. Then I'm gonna use this shimmery holographic purple shade from Morphe 35B palette. Honestly, this is the first time I use it, and I was amazed by it because the holographic effect it gives is really amazing. I'm gonna pop it like onto the middle of my lid to brighten everything up. It gives me a very cool effect, as you can tell. Now I'm gonna use the Vivid Bright Liquid liner from NYX Cosmetics called Vivid Blossom. It's kind of a pastel purple, very pretty, and I'm gonna draw the tail of Espeon, curving surrounding my brow. The curve will be across the brow and moving backward beneath the brow. And if you know Espeon, you would know that its tail is kind of a double tail. It has like the tail is separate into two parts at the end of it. I have never shaved my, I used to shave my brown hair once, but I got allergic to it, so I stopped doing it. That's why my brow area looks kind of messy. I'm sorry for that, but I just don't want to shave my brown hair again since that accident. Now I'm gonna use the red pearl and glue it on to imitate the red pearl on the forehead of Espeon. Then I'm gonna use the Vivid Blossom liquid eyeliner again to sketch out some small dots. I'm gonna start from big dots and smaller dots when it's moving like outward to the outer corner and the inner corner of the eyes to make the effect like a psychic type, if you can imagine. I don't know, like psychic is my most favorite Pokemon type, so it gives me the vibe to do this kind of pattern on the Espeon's eye look. Then I'm gonna use the shade called Purple Horseshoe from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild highlighter kit to pop on the middle of my lid to really brighten it up. And that's it. This is a finished look. And if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys in the next tutorial. Bye.